Hello everyone, how are you? Nice to meet you again. Mwah. I send you a big kiss from the distance. Les mando un beso enorme desde la distancia. Yes? As you can see, como pueden ver, today we are going to learn some food that animals eat. Okay? Algunas comidas que specific animals que los animales eat. Okay? They eat. Ellos comen. Okay? The animals we have learned. Los animales que ya hemos aprendido. For example, what gorillas eat, what kangaroos eat, what food tigers eat, okay? We are going to learn all of that today. ¿Sí? Todo eso hoy, okay. So, what are we seeing now? What are we seeing now? ¿Qué estamos viendo? We are seeing meat. Very good. Meat. Excellent. Do you like meat? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Lo pueden dejar en los comentarios o decir, I like meat, I like meat, I don't like meat, or I love meat, okay? Excellent. Very good. Excellent. So, some animals eat meat, okay? Very good. Ya lo vamos a ir aprendiendo, yes? But this is meat, okay? I like meat. Do you like meat? For example, I love meat, yes? A mí me encanta. I love meat and I love milanesas. They are very delicious, ¿sí? Son muy ricas. Okay, very good. Let's move on. Vamos a continuar. And here we have fruits. How is it? Fruits. Very good. 2 apples, bananas, yes, cherries, watermelon, yes. Y así continuamos. Lots of fruits. Un montón de fruits. Okay. So, do you like fruits? Do you like fruits? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Yes, you can say, I like fruits, I don't like fruits, I love fruits. Okay, and what's your favorite fruit? ¿Cuál es tu fruit favorita? Okay, lo pueden dejar en los comentarios. Very good. And we are going to learn that some animals eat fruit. También. ¿Sí? Algunos animals comen fruits. Okay, very good. Let's move on. Then we have, what is this? Plants. Very good. Plants. How is it? Plants. Okay, do you like plants? No. Humans don't eat plants. ¿Sí? Los humanos no comen plants. Okay, very good. Excellent. So, for example, do you like plants in general? Of course. ¿Les gustan las plants? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Very good. Excellent. And también vamos a aprender that some animals eat plants too. Okay, very good. And the last one we have fish. How is it? Fish. Very good. Humans can eat fish. ¿Sí? Los humanos podemos comer fish. So, do you like fish? Yes, I do. No, I don't. I like fish. I don't like fish. I love fish. Eso ustedes ya lo saben. Very good. Excellent. And we are going to learn that some animals eat fish. Sorry, okay? Very good. Excellent. Ahora, let's go to the book. Yes, vamos a ir al book. Okay, excellent. And we are on page 16. Sorry, 16. La página 16 from the class book. ¿Sí? Del libro de clase. Okay, very good. So, we are going to revise what we have been seeing. Okay? Lo que estuvimos viendo. Very good. Okay, so, here we have fish. Okay? Fish. You can see how we write fish. Como escribimos fish. Then we have meat. Okay? Meat. Yes? How is it? Meat. Very good. Then we have fruit. Yes? Fruit. Bananas. Okay? Coconut. This is coconut. Very good. Cocoa. And apples. Okay? And then we have plants. Yes? And these are leaves. ¿Sí? Son las hojas. But all of them are plants. ¿Sí? Son plants. Very good. Excellent. So, we are going to learn that dolphins eat fish. Okay? Can you see the dolphin wanting to eat fish? ¿Sí? Que quiere comer fish. Okay? Fish are very delicious for dolphins. Son muy deliciosos para ellos. Okay? So, dolphins eat fish. Very good. Then we have gorillas eat fruit. Okay? Of course, monkeys and gorillas eat bananas. Yes? They love bananas. les encantan las bananas. So we see that the gorilla is eating a banana, okay? Excellent. Then we have kangaroos eat plants. Very good. So we see that the kangaroo is about to eat a leaf, una hoja, yes? Plant. Very good. So they love plants, yes? Or grass, or pasto. Very good. And tigers eat meat, okay? Tigers eat meat. Can you see the meat? Okay, and the tiger, yes, is like this, delicious. Okay, do you do this when you see meat? Cuando ven carne or no? Nah. Okay, I love fish. I like meat, but I love fish. Me gusta más el fish. Okay, very good. And now we are going to see each animal that eats this food, ¿sí? Que come esta comida. Cada animal, ¿sí? Que come este tipo de food. Some of them eat fish, some of them eat meat, some of them eat fruit, and some of them eat plants, okay? Very good. Let's go there. Vamos a ir ahí. Okay, excellent. And now we are on page 11. Yes, fuimos más arriba, okay? To know, yes, what type of food each animal eats. ¿Sí? ¿Qué tipo de comida cada animal que vimos eats, okay? Very good. So, tigers eat meat, okay? And we are going to write like this. Lo vamos a escribir así, mira. Tigers eat meat. Very good. Excellent, okay? Tigers eat meat. Very good. Excellent. Do you know what zebras eat? What kind of food they eat? ¿Qué tipo de comida ellas comen? Very good. So, zebras eat plants, okay? Eat plants. Very good. They are vegetarians. Sí, son vegetarianas. Very good. Okay, and what gorillas... Sorry, okay. What do gorillas eat? ¿Qué comen los gorillas? Very good. They eat fruits, okay? Gorillas eat fruits, okay? Banana, okay? Excellent. And what do cheetahs eat? Can you think? Do they eat plants, fish? They are similar to the tiger, ¿sí? Son similares al tiger, entonces they eat meat. Very good. Cheetahs eat meat. Very good. Excellent. Do you know what kangaroos eat? Can you think? Very good. They eat plants. Entonces, kangaroos eat plants. Very good. Okay? Bears. Do you know what bears eat? Meat? No, I don't think so. They eat plants. Okay? Very good. Birds eat plants. Excellent. Then, do you know what rhinos eat? Yes, we have two types of rhinos. Tenemos dos tipos de rhinos, okay? The white rhino, see, the white rhino eats plants, okay? This is the white rhino. Yes, no es white, pero bueno, okay? They are called like this, okay? And the black rhino, yes, the black rhino eats fruits, okay? So, the white one eats plants, grass, pasto, and leaves, y hojas. But the black rhino eats only fruits, yes? Solo come frutas. Very, very good. And do you know what the whales eat? Whales eat fish, okay? Very good, because they live in the sea, yes? Ellas viven en el mar, entonces they cannot eat, for example, fruits, okay? Because in the sea we cannot find fruits. No podemos encontrar fruits in the sea, okay? Very good. So they eat fish. The same happens with dolphins, yes? Dolphins eat fish, okay? Very good. And what do the seals eat? Can you think of? Where do they live? ¿Dónde viven? in the sea, en el mar. Very good. So they also eat fish. Okay, so seals eat fish. Very good. Excellent. So we have learned what these animals eat. Okay, tigers eat meat, zebras eat plants, gorillas eat fruits, cheetahs eat meat. Yes, kangaroos eat plants, bears eat plants, the white rhino eats plants, but the black rhino eats fruits. Yes, the whales eat fish, the dolphins eat fish, and the seals eat fish. Okay, so most of the animals that live in the sea, la mayoría de los animales que viven en el mar, eat fish. Okay, very, very good. Excellent. Okay, bueno. Y ahora terminamos con esto. I send you a big kiss from the distance. See you next week. Bye bye.